TASR was a fun little trade today, and it's a good example of the kind of things we look for in the chat room as a team. TASR wasn't even on watch. All of a sudden, a few of us posted, "Hey, TASR getting volume." Now, the tricky thing is, how do you trade it, right? You don't want to chase. Okay, so once something is getting a big volume spike like this, I'm not going to chase it, but it absolutely goes on a chart. I mean, especially in summer trading, you sit and wait for stuff like this, okay? Because then you say, now I might have a trade. So as this thing starts to come back down, I actually called a long right there about 1378. Gave it about 20 cents risk. Okay, so it chops around for a while after that. Doesn't come near my stop. And then one of our moderators, Ayal, took a different approach and just said, you know what, I'm going to call it long over this base, and called it a 1381 right there. 1375 stop. So it was kind of two different methods. Mine was buying the pullback. A lot of times you'll see a big move like this come back down and then rip right back higher. So that's why I had my bid in at I believe it was 1378, and I wanted to give it some wiggle room. So mine took a little while to work, whereas Ayal, one of our other moderators, his worked immediately. His was, I guess you could easily argue, a better call than mine, because there was no pain, okay? 1381, 1375. And look at this, right back through the high of the day and stair-stepped higher the rest of the day. Either entry, though, very nice trade for us. Wasn't even on watch, and TASR actually looks like it could be multi-day. You've got a nice long base between 13 and 14, nice volume today, and closed pretty strong. So there's one example of the kind of things we look for in the chat room and the way we play them. All right, talk to you later.